Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is BTC and you're watching the Jumper. On today, we want to do a quick review of our Bitcoin analysis for the week. As you guys can know, today is Saturday and it's weekend, meaning that the forex and the stock market is closed for today and tomorrow. So that will narrow our video down just to Bitcoin. And as you all know, when we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about cryptocurrency. So whatever that happens to Bitcoin also happens to other cryptocurrencies. So if we know that Bitcoin is going up, that means indirectly we are saying that other cryptocurrency too is going up. And if we analyze Bitcoin is going down, that means we also directly we are saying that other cryptocurrencies too are still going down. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. This is my Bitcoin analysis this is my trading view. So guys, these are my Bitcoin analysis. This was for last week and yesterday Bitcoin to come and tap into this place and say going up. Though my TP is not yet hit. So guys, my TP is up here. Okay, but right before then, Bitcoin came to this point and make what they call double bottom. As you can see, this is one wonderful double bottom right here. I don't know if you can see something like that. This is how I do my double bottom. I take it up here, I extend it. Now, what this in simple means that when the chart is coming and the price makes a movement and it shows as if it's trying to reverse. Understand? I will take my for my trading view, I will take this rectangle, I will take from the closing of that candle, then to the wick where it touched, then extend it to the other side and expect price to come into it. Now, when price comes into this region, now I'm expecting price not to break above this region. I'm also expecting price um not to close above this region, not to break above this region. So if the body wick closes passes, like if we have something like this, let's say we let me give you guys an instance. Okay, let's say we I'm trying to look for an instance here. I cannot see any example. Okay, let me go to good and give you an instance. It's happening on good. This is good here. This is good. This is good on 15 minutes. Let's go down to 1 hour. Let's go down to 1 hour. Yeah, okay, this is good on 1 hour right here. So you guys can see this is a perfect double bottom I'm talking about. I wash. Right here we have something like this. This spot, this is what I'm talking about. The price made this movement. Now okay here also make another movement. Now you extend it. As you can see, the price came into this region. You see. This is not okay, yes, this is a perfect example I'm talking about, not there. Sorry about that. This was a perfect example I'm talking about, not that one. This is it. As you guys can see, this week actually closed below it. Sorry, this week actually went below it, but it did not close below it. So in other words, this reversal holds, as long as I'm to trade this reversal holds. Now, okay, let's say it came here, it rallied up, it came to this place. The week's token and also retraces back. The second one did not close below it and it's still making an upward movement. Well, I'll place my enter down there. Now, okay, watch this one again, but bring it down to a lower time frame, actually close below. So what that simply means that I'm actually expecting a price to come into this candle. It could be a tapping into the candle. When I say tapping, like I mean something like this. It could be a tapping, like this one now. As you guys can see, there is a tapping. You know what I mean by tapping, like something like this. It could be a tapping, like this one also. There is a tapping. It could be a tapping. It could be a body candle. Body candle is allowed to close, just like this one. Like a body candle. But this body candle is not allowed to close outside this candle. This body candle is not allowed to close outside this candle. So the wick can come to the candle. The wick can close, can strike above the candle, but the wick can enter the candle. The body candle can enter the candle, but let the body candle not close above it also. So now this is what I'm by a double bottom here, perfect double bottom. So perfect double top. It came here and it gave me a perfect engulfing candle. Perfect engulfing candle. This is the perfect engulfing candle right here, as you guys can see. This is the perfect engulfing candle now. So this trade actually was a beautiful one. Like this trade actually was a beautiful one. Just that I tend to claim my this not trading. This was the trade here. You open the position immediately after the closing of this engulfing candle. Then there are two ways to trade this. First of all, you take your take profit. The first take profit is here, which is here. This there's always the resistance before the neckline. This is the neckline. So that results before the neckline should be where you should place your first take profit. Then the subsequent take profit could be deep down on the closing of the next candle, which is here. That is on the closing of the next lower low, which is here. I say closing, I did not see the week of the next lower low. This is the week of the next lower low here. I said closing of the next lower low. This is the closing of the next lower low. So if you stretch this in, you see that we are actually close to taking our profit, even though it did not hit our TP. Yes, they're actually close to taking our profit. Now, okay, let's say this is it. Well, meanwhile, if you're actually trading this thing, if you are taking your first profit here, which what first thing I do is I close half of it at this spot, which is 50% of it, I close 50% of it, and 50% I will give me my initial capital and my profit. Now, I now hear the rest and wash it progressively. Now, this one might actually come back to close, it might reverse back and lose completely. So if you're someone that maybe you just don't want to do, you can just when you see that things reverse, you can just say get out of the trade. So this is it. So for today, what we're looking on Bitcoin right now is we're actually expecting Bitcoin to come into this region. Why I draw this line, these are not easy region. I don't know if you know what I'm by what is it. This region has been tested over time. It tested here, come back here, it tested it, went up before it makes this up. Even the neckline, the so-called neckline that was formed before we had a break, which gave down to the downward movement, also tested it. This is the neckline here. So also before after the neckline, it also came back to tested it here. This is exactly what happened here. Let me go down to 5 so you can see it clearly. Yeah, this is it on 5 minutes. As you guys can see, even after it broke out, it still come up to test it again before it made the further downward movement. So I'm actually expecting price to come into this region again. To come into this region again, we test it. If we are to maintain our downward movement, expecting price to come into this region again, we test it and continue downward movement until we get to this particular spot. Until we get into this particular spot again. Or if it doesn't, then it should come down here. We test this spot again. Like what I mean, I'm expecting something like this to happen on Bitcoin to the something like this. I'm expecting a path like this. Either it gets to this spot, now take this spot, make a double bottom, go up, then put maybe something like this to this spot. Or I'm expecting something like this to happen on Bitcoin. Or I'm expecting something like this to happen on Bitcoin. When it gets to this spot, take it to this point, straight on down to this point. When I mean straight on, you guys should remember like it doesn't not a straight line now, just up and down, up and down, up and down. Now okay, this is another thing I'm looking at on Bitcoin. So you're looking to tap into this here. But in situation whereby it fails to tap into this region, it fails to tap into this region, in this region right now. So that means I should be expecting something like this. From up here down to this spot, then up this spot, then downward this spot. So this is just my prediction for Bitcoin. So I'm expecting to short, just like I told you guys, I'm expecting to short Bitcoin, but that should be when it gets into this region. When it gets into this region, I should be expecting to short it. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen. But if you fail to get into the region, I will for you to get into this region. So these regions are not easy. So as I say, if you get into this region, make a double bottom, then now long it out to this region before I now short it again. So basically, I'm looking for long and short on Bitcoin, depending on the one that presents itself first. If it presents short that from here to here, I should be taking my short. If it presents long, I know it comes to this region, I should be taking my long up to this point. Until we have that strong movement that will help you to break this upward side. So this is just basically my analysis on Bitcoin, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you understand what I mean. Like I said, one more time, this is exactly what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Either it get to this region like this, then get to this place, make an upward movement to this spot, then down to this spot, then down to this spot, something like this. Or or I expect something like this on Bitcoin. Right from here, then up this region before it now makes a downward movement to this spot. So this is my basic analysis for Bitcoin for the day. So we'll stay back and watch. Just like I told you guys, trading is not about patience, it's about patience. So we'll stay back and watch. Don't FOMO in. Don't try to simulate it on your head. Don't try to simulate it on your head. Just watch it play out. Watch it play out. So you just have to have patience and watch it to get into any of the decision. Or if you choose to be consolidating, we watch it to whenever it's either today or tomorrow, whenever it's head into a region, then we'll not look at an opportunity. So I love you guys and I hope you enjoyed it. And I just want to say thank you for being with me and um, thank you for everything. Thank you guys. And also please if you're watching for the first time, do want to subscribe, like the video and also share so I can get to others too. Who will need this video. I love you guys. One love.